Ay, paminaw. Paminaw mo. Para makabalo, sadta. Were you in the another day at the 4 o'clock in the afternoon? It is the context, paminaw, Congressman Rosas, palagi ka lang nagdidiin sa ating former president. Ang ganitong tanong po, huwag kang magagalit pag tatanungin kayo dyan. Kasi kinukuntim ninyo yung mga ordinaryong tao. Bakit si Tatay Digong hindi ninyo kayang ikukuntim? Kasi isa lang ibig sabihin, wala kang alam, no? Itong questions na ito, yung tinatanong sa iyo, it is often to be used to establish either alibi or in the presence at the particular time and place. It is typically arises during the investigations, disposition, or court proceedings when someone, locations, or actions at the specific time are relevant to the cases. Di ba? No? It is a legal implications with all due respect, Congressman Brusas, you are from the NPA. No, you are from the NPA. You cannot answer what was the former president say. So, number one, there is a 4 legal implications here. Number 1 is alibi. It is the person or the person we need to prove they were not at the scene of the crime or an incident. This question states the truth of their claims. Tinuod ba na inyuhang gibato sa iyaha? No? Number 2 is corroborations. The witness may be asked a similar questions to confirm or to refute the person's account for their whereabouts. Di ba? Number 3, establishing this timeline. So, alam po ito, the lawyers or the investigator ask or magtanong, ask such questions to reconstruct the events chronologically for the clearer understanding of what was happened. Yan po ang ibig sabihin. Number 4 is accountability. If the questions is directed to the defendant or the suspects, the answer could have a significant implications of their legal responsibility. Yan po. In summary, in law such questions are essential for determining the truth, reliability, and credibility during the legal processes. Yan po ang ibig sabihin noon.